Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this Xiaomi smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down, select Apps over here, and then go into Dual Apps. Now select Create and wait. As you can see, all of those apps are available to clone. If you wish to clone one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one, like Amazon Shopping. Then choose Turn On in the pop-up, wait a bit. And now when I go back, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!